Hi everyone. Welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download and install the Cobo crypto wallet application on your Android device. So, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch and open your Play Store. Also, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Go to the search box at the top and type in Cobo crypto wallet. Once you come across the search results displayed on the screen, look for this application from Cobo Limited and tap on Install to begin downloading the application for your Android phone. Wait until the app gets downloaded and installed, which will take a couple of minutes. Once it is done, tap on the Open button to launch and open the Cobo Wallet application for your Android phone. So, that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Goodbye.